Welcome guys back to another video, and today I've received my new gaming keyboard. Before we hop right in, remember like, subscribe and comment down below if you're hyped for this new keyboard. Alright guys, and before I begin, just to let you know, this is a really quick video. I just woke up and my keyboard just arrived, so yeah, really quick video. Sorry for any quality, I'm doing my bed, so yeah. Alright guys, so the first layer has already been removed because of privacy reasons, and second layer is right here. I couldn't take it out on recording because it was really hard to record with one hand and open with the other hand. Okay, so this is the main box, Geek. This is the a Geek Ajaaz AK33. Well, that's what I heard. Oh, it's down here. Just. Ew. A long time to come. Oh my god. Oh damn, this is the keyboard. If this bends. Okay. So this comes with this cushioning. Comes with actually never seen this before. Wow. Look at that. I'm okay, I don't know what this is called, but USB-C type looking thing. No, not USB-C, this is USB micro looking. So this is the main keyboard itself, and it comes with a manual. Yeah, my manual feels nice. Oh damn. Okay, so move this out of the way. Move this out of the way. Move the manual out of the way. Bring the bad boy itself. Okay, so let's move this. Cushioning. AJ's. Slowly remove this. So guys, this is 60% keyboard. Actually no, it's actually 75%. Because arrow keys are here and these side. So I'll plug it in for you guys and you can see the RGB. It also comes with a plastic underneath. Alright guys, so I've plugged my keyboard into the PC, and just to if you want to see a comparison to the TKL keyboard with my old keyboard, it would be this size. As you see, that's massive. Honestly, it looks tiny on my slider thing, but damn, look at this. The size of it though. Put that aside. And guys, if you want to hear a little sound test, then you can hear it now. Alright guys, so as you heard from the sound test, is blue switches from Zorro. It's like a cheaper version of Cherry MX switches. So yeah, so let's boot up the PC. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, that looked clean. So with the manual, which I just lost. So that's the, oh my god, how many looking nice. Okay, so the manual which I just lost, just found, right here. So I'm going to read the manual, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna read the manual and see how to do the RGB effects, blah blah blah, all that. So see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so I'm back and I figured out how to use RGB properly. And by the way guys, on your screen, the blue color might be looking darker than it actually looks. That's because of my camera. I'm not like a big YouTuber or anything, you know. But the blues you're seeing right now is a little lighter than you see. Alright, so what I so FN plus F8 has three RGB effects. So has breathing, just turn off and back to still. You can go change the brightness and apparently change direction. Change the direction by clicking F and right arrow, left arrow. But I have no idea on earth what that means. If you want, you can see for yourself, guys. Supports FN plus arrow or FN plus arrow, adjust the direction of backlight. Yeah, I don't know what that means. So yeah, that's RGB effects so far. Actually, at all really. Well, I forgot to point out that there's stands, and these stands you can flip over, and it will be standing like this. So if you prefer this is for you then. Alright guys, if you enjoyed the video, remember to like, subscribe and comment down below, and you'll be seeing future gameplay on this keyboard right here. Alright, have a good day, stay safe and see ya later.